If you're starting a streetwear brand and looking for a premium print-on-demand platform, Tapstitch is honestly one of the better options out there right now. What stands out immediately is the quality. Their blanks feel retail-ready. We're talking heavyweight 250 GSM tees, thick hoodies, dropped shoulders, vintage washes, stuff that actually feels like legit streetwear, not cheap pod merch. Another big plus? There are no minimum orders. You can grab a single sample first, test the fit, fabric, and print quality before listing anything. They also let you add custom neck tags and branded packaging, which is huge if you're trying to build a real brand and not just sell generic printed shirts. Integration is easy too. It works smoothly with Shopify and Etsy. Now the downside? It is more expensive than basic POD platforms, so your margins can be tighter unless you price your products like an actual premium brand. Shipping costs can also vary depending on fulfillment location, and since they use DTG printing, you'll want customers washing items properly to keep prints looking fresh. So, final verdict. If you're serious about building a high-quality streetwear brand without holding inventory, Tapstitch is absolutely worth testing. It's free to sign up, so honestly, order a sample and see if it fits your brand.